swallow that frog, wash it down with some water, boom, and then go about your day. And then guess what? The only thing that can happen from here on out is your day gets better. Hi, my name's Devin. Today I own several multi-million-dollar companies. We started with $5,000 in a credit card. I don't know the easy way. I only know the hard way. Hey everyone, welcome to the Whiteboard Entrepreneur podcast, where I give straightforward advice to fuel the entrepreneur in all of us. Today I want to talk to you about eating the frog. Yeah, I said eat the frog. It's an expression in business, and what it means is do the dirty work. Just get it done, get it over with. If you have to whatever you need to do to eat that frog, eat the frog. And I learned this principle when I was super young in business. One of my earliest business partners, we were immature, just kind of in business, and like everything to us was very scary, right? Like every hard conversation would freak me out, and I didn't want to send the email that was bad news. I didn't know how to deal with people. I didn't know how to deal with vendors, customers, everything. It was just everything to me was very stressful, and so I would always. I've also always been a list doer, right? So I'd write lists of what needed to get done every day. Well, I would prioritize the worst one, the thing that I didn't want to do. I'd put it all the way at the bottom, right? And then every time I would look at that list, it would make me nauseous. It's I've got to do that. And it's it almost felt like I just ate a frog, right? Because I was it's swimming around in your belly. You know what I'm talking about, right? That thing probably right now that's lingering on your to-do list. That's the frog. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Well, my friend, I would notice that every day we'd get up and then he would just boom, first thing in the morning, whatever the worst thing was on his to-do list, he would do it. And then boom, the rest of the day he'd be bouncing around and just, his day got better, right? And I asked him one time, I'm like, Dave, how do you do that? How do you just boom, just take care of that? And he's like, well, you've got to do it too. You're just letting it ruin your entire day. He's like, just eat the frog. I'm like, what? He's like, yeah, just eat the frog. And I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, you just wake up first thing in the morning, get it over with, swallow that frog, wash it down with some water, boom, and then go about your day. And then guess what? The only thing that can happen from here on out is your day gets better. I'm Devin. This is a Whiteboard Entrepreneur podcast. And I know if you apply this to your life and you eat the frog early, get it over with, I know it's going to help.